the streets where we used to roam. Every corner feels like a long lost home. Your laughter's trapped in the autumn breeze, but it's just a memory that brings me to my knees. I should have held you closer, never let you slip. Now I'm drowning in the words I didn't let slip. I'm haunted by the ghost of us, fading in the night. Every moment burns where we used to ignite. I'm stuck in this sorrow where love used to bloom. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the gloom. The coffee shop still plays our old song, but it hits me now that you're really gone. I see your shadow in the rain-soaked glass, but it's just a flicker of a love that didn't last. I keep replaying the fight that broke us apart, wishing I could rewrite the end of our heart. I'm haunted by the ghost of us, fading in the night. Every moment burns where we used to ignite. I'm stuck in this sorrow where love used to bloom. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the If I could turn back time, I'd hold you through the pain. I'd trade my every breath to feel you again. But all I have are echoes of the promises we swore, a love I'll never hold, forever at my core. I'm haunted by the ghost of us, fading in the night. Every moment burns where we used to ignite. I'm stuck in this sorrow where love used to bloom. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the gloom. So I'll carry this ache through the years that unfold, a story of us that's forever untold. In this sad mode, I'm learning to see the ghost of us will always be part of